Introduce features highlight of AOXUN 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner, dehumidifier with remote control, 3-in-1 portable AC unit with cooling, dehumidifier. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. AOXUN's portable air conditioner is equipped with 3 modes. The cooling mode can quickly cool down your room, the dehum mode can keep your room fresh, and the fan mode can let you enjoy the cool wind. Multiple modes are combined in one machine to meet all your needs. Our 10,000 BTU portable AC unit has an airflow of 350 cubic meters per hour and a cooling area of 268 square feet. It is not only powerful, but also can save energy, reduce emissions, and save electricity, so as to meet the energy efficiency standards of the US DOE. Built-in blue hydrophilic dust-proof heat-sensitive coating, which can filter dust with high-density, continuous cleaning, so that you can breathe easily and freely. There is also a removable and reusable air filter. This air conditioner has almost no noise, and if you need to rest, there is a sleep mode to choose from, allowing you to have a pleasant relaxation time. The top of the machine has an LED display and a remote control, which allows you to easily set the time, temperature, and switch modes. Portable air conditioners are equipped with wheels, making it easier to move. We provide detailed instructions, exhaust hose, and window kits for easy installation. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.